I'm starving, Judy.
You always are. Have a buttie or some of yesterday's leftovers, because we are not eating for 2 hours.
Do you mean the curry? I can nuke it in the microwave. It's funny, I always get peckish after playing football with Ed Jr.
Is he hungry too?
No, he took some tuck with him. I also gave him some money because he wants to go to the chippy or that greasy spoon on the high street with his mates.
What? He won't be hungry later.
Are you joking? He's got hollow legs, that boy.
That's true. He had a full English for brekkie, then grabbed a handful of bickies before he left the house.
Those ones you made yesterday, they were very yummy. Moreish too.
You two polished those off quickly, didn't you?
You know what we are like, Judy. If there is any nosh in the kitchen, we'll scoff it down.
But you had a pie and spud for lunch. Wasn't that stodgy enough?
Yes, but not enough sugar, my dear. You know we are both sweet-toothed.
But you had an ice cream for afters.
That was just to cool us down.
Well, don't eat anything this afternoon because we've been invited for a barbie at the neighbours this evening.
Really? I thought we were having spag bol. I was looking forward to it.
The way you and Ed Jr. gulp it down like a couple of gannets, I'm glad we don't have to see it again today.
You make us sound like a couple of greedy pigs. We aren't that bad, are we?
You both could be better, so please think about that this evening when you are served bangers.
Oh yes, the last time we were there, we had an eating competition and we both guzzled down.
That's not going to happen again this evening. Otherwise the pair of you can make your own grub for a week.